So tell us more about yourself and how you're associated with this organization. Also tell us more about the project as well as the event today.
Okay, my name is Asmita Bhatia. I've been part of AIA for many years, actually almost 30 years. I was initially a chairperson for Diwali function at South Street Seaport. Subsequently, last 15 or 20 years, I've been quite involved with initiative called Project India, which is a philanthropic arm of AIA. So that is how we are hosting an event today here. It's a fundraising. Project India has served many social and economic crises in India over the years, including starting with earthquake in Gujarat, Bhopal crisis, and during COVID also. So now we are supporting an NGO called Global Vikas Trust based in Mumbai, and in just last 8 years they've done a phenomenal work to help the farmers in a very underserved, poor, remote villages in Maharashtra, which is where there is a high rate of suicides. So we are raising funds as well as raising awareness. We want people to be familiar with the work they are doing, and every dollar goes very far. $500 helps one farmer to increase his income 10 times because of the fruit trees. So thank you. That's the simple mission. We are here to make it a big success. I hope the viewers continue to be in contact with us as well as GBT. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Divya Shah. I am with AIA, which is Association of Indians in America, which is the oldest organization in United States. We started in 1967 and we have several branches, and I belong to New York chapter, and we also have a philanthropic arm called Project India. So past 40 years or so, we have been involved in raising funds for a very great causes back in India. I think it is our responsibility to give back to our motherland. And for this reason, tonight is a very special night and special evening. And I'm here with Falu, amazing singer, amazing human being. So we are here to fundraise for an NGO in India, which is called Global Vikas Trust, whose chief person is Mr. Mayank Gandhi, and they are working diligently for past more than 15 years to see that farmers in India do not have to commit suicide because they don't have enough income. So Mr. Gandhi has started this Global Vikas Trust. He assembled a lot of agriculturists, botanists, and people who knew about that specific area in Maharashtra where there were a lot of people having huge issues. So Mr. Gandhi started this project, and amazingly it has grown a lot, and farmers' income has quadrupled, but in fact more than quadrupled with their assistance. Their key objective of GVT, Global Vikas Trust, is to inform the farmer that look at the climate change, look at your soil conditions, look at what kind of water comes there, and what is the right crop to start with. Because many times these farmers from generations, they used to do the same thing over and over again. And they could never understand what needed to be done. So this GVT is amazing group of people. Now they help these farmers, telling them, okay, instead of, for example, you are putting cotton, but that's not the right thing. So why don't you have papaya? I'm just giving an example. And for that reason, the income of the farmers have gone up. And if you imagine when the income of the family goes up, it's just not the farmer who benefits, the guy, his wife, his children. They have an income to send the kids to schools. And less abuse of women, if I may say so. So there are many, many, many advantages when the income goes up. Absolutely. So this is what the project is. Tonight, we have Falu, amazing Grammy Award winner, okay? And she has very generously giving her time today. And with the performance, we have a lot of people in attendance, a lot of supporters and donors for this cause, and we are exceedingly happy to have this evening today. Thank you.
Having me, Divya. I've been a fan of hers since I entered this country, so we go a long way back. Today, it's an honor, pleasure to sing for AIA and Global Vikas Trust. My song that I was inspired and motivated and told to write was about millets, and guess who inspired me and worked with me and collaborated with me in writing that song is our President, our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. He wanted to bring the farmers up and help the community, and wanted millets to be worldwide popular, and really the crop has to be exported as a staple food, and hence he took music to make the statement, and we together wrote a song called Abundance in Millets. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and myself and Gaurav Shah, who is also singing with me today, we wrote it, and it actually got a Grammy nomination. So our Prime Minister is Grammy nominated, by the way. And we wanted to write this song to uplift farmers, to uplift that community, so that they can feed more people in villages and everywhere else, and export more millets outside of India and make more money. So that way India can also become, more global in exporting millets. And today we're going to perform songs that uplift this community, songs that give positive vibes and also bring harmony into this world because music and food are very related. So I feel when they speak to each other, only miracles happen. And we have our band coming today. You can check us out at Falu Music on all the social media, but we're going to perform a beautiful set, and we're going to raise a lot of money. The intention is to raise a lot of money to support AIA as well as GVT, and support farmers and communities in India that need our support, and we as musicians can offer that. So from our heart, we have really worked on for today's show. We did 3-4 rehearsals to make sure that we give the best of the best special songs to this crowd, because they are really special people, as they help everybody in the villages, in the rural communities. This is where the money is going to go. So we really want this message to go worldwide, and make sure that if you can attend the show today, at least send your donations to AIA. And I'm sure there are so many websites, and Vivian, you can say a website that we can donate to if you are inspired by this message.
Well, our website, of course, is associationofindiansinamerica.org. So please kindly contact us there, and you will find a lot of information. And of course, you can please donate whatever you can. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harish Thakkar. Today we are gathered here at the AI Project India event, and today performing will be Fallu Shah. She is a Grammy Award winner, and she will be having fantastic evening. We'll be spending with her. We supposed to have Buddha drama, but some visa issues we couldn't do it. But we now doing it this Fallu musical evening today, and it's going to be a great event. Beautiful location. We are accepting more 150 people around here will be here, and I think it's going to be a great evening. And music, the food, and all our AI family people will be a great evening.
Project India, the philanthropic arm of the Association of Indians in America, New York chapter. It is my honor to welcome you and thank you for being here. Our commitment, Poonam, you are here. Our commitment to India has guided our efforts for last 15 plus years. Much of our early focus was in healthcare through a deeply impactful collaboration with GAP, Gujarat AIDS Awareness and Prevention NGO in Gujarat. One of the most meaningful chapters was led by Dr. Buddhadev Manwar, then the president of the National Executive Committee, who was instrumental in bringing a partnership with the Brooklyn Hospital Center in the field of infectious diseases. We are so glad they are here with Dr. Manwar and Bobby. Thank you so much. We are quite honored. Thanks to his leadership and Project India's coordination, medical camps were held annually for 7 years. Doctors from the Brooklyn Hospital traveled to India, assess, treat and counsel HIV-affected patients. This was especially critical because it was during a time of widespread fear and misinformation about AIDS. Their compassionate work brought healing, dignity and hope. Work still continues to provide comprehensive health care to families across 80 villages along the borders of Gujarat and Rajasthan. So thank you, Dr. Manwar, and thank you, Dr. So with that, last year we shifted our focus to livelihood. It was just about 4 years ago when I was in Mumbai at an event. I first struck by their effectiveness and curious about their model. That curiosity led me to meet Dr. Mr. Mayank Gandhi, who is the founder of Global Vikas Trust. Mayank himself, an urban planner who once lived in the US, was deeply disturbed by the tragic rate of farmer suicide especially in poor villages in Maharashtra. After visiting the region of Parli in Maharashtra, he and his wife decided to make a courageous and bold decision. They left Mumbai and moved to Parli, Maharashtra. In just under 10 years, the work of GVT has transformed lives. Through sustainable agriculture, very innovative approach and community engagement, they have brought about tenfold increase in the annual income of each farmer's family, leading to a real impactful economic and social change. Their motto is simple: growth through sustainable agriculture at scale. Mayank Bhai is a visionary, very unassuming, very focused and incredibly hands-on. His leadership touches every aspect of village life. We are truly humbled by GVT's mission and deeply inspired by the change they have brought to the farmers. I also want to take a moment to recognize Dr. Purvi Parikh, whose presence tonight is deeply appreciated. Dr. Parikh is a well-known allergist and immunologist. Besides teaching, she is a spokesperson for the UN United Nations Foundation's vaccine initiative, and particularly her work in research, and especially on the vaccine, which had become kind of a controversial, still continues to be rather inflamed controversial topic during the pandemic, is well known. Thank you, Dr. Purvi, for being here. Now, although I stand before you tonight, only because of the incredible trio of women, Smriti Khanna, Vidya Shah, and Dr. Hansina Bansal. Without hesitation, without questions, they joined in their effort and truly unique evening for a cause we all believe in.
And the fourth musketeer.
So 4 ladies, and of course we take always inspiration from Children's Home. So they are always they are absolutely a powerhouse. We resolved not to be disappointed. As you all know, there were some moments when we thought perhaps we may not be able to host this event, but we did not wish us to discourage us. Countless hours of phone calls early morning, planning and coordination, driven by one shared conviction that we must do our best to help GVT grow its impact and extend its reach to many more in need. So finally, to them and to all of you, thank you for standing with us. Truly, I mean it, over the years, because many of us were with us in 2018 when we had a beautiful 3-women program in Manhattan. Your support fuels the mission of transformation. The funds raised today will be directed to Global Vikas Trust, and we shall absolutely share the specific details with you very, very shortly. Now it is my honor to actually invite Mayank Bhai Gandhi, who is the founder of Global Vikas Trust, however, through a video. So Sunny, if we can, let's get his vision, his journey, and again, thank you so, so very much.
और गांव में 12 महीने टंकर से पानी की आपूर्ति होती। टैंकर आने के बाद पानी को लेकर झगड़े हुए, खेती के लिए पानी मिला और लोगों के लिए काम मिला, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप गरीबी और पूरा गांव पानी की समस्या से त्रस्त के नीचे आ गया और उसकी मौत हो गई। गांव से होकर बहने वाली पापनाशी नदी में मानसून के दौरान बाढ़ आई लेकिन उसका पानी खेतों में घुसकर फसलों तथा मिट्टी को नुकसान पहुंचा। बारिश का मौसम बीत जाने के बाद नदी सूख जाती थी और ग्रामीणों को फिर से पानी की निपट करना पड़ता। 2016 में श्री मयंक गांधी और ग्लोबल विकास ट्रस्ट परली तालुका आए और यहाँ की स्थिति को समझकर बदलने पर काम शुरू किया और गांव में शराब पर प्रतिबंध लगा दिया। शराब बेचने वाले लोगों को अपना नया व्यवसाय शुरू करने के लिए 3 गर्भवती बकरियां दी। इस घटना के बाद गांव की सभी महिलाओं ने श्री मयंक गांधी को अपना भाई मान लिया। अब एक बढ़िया और जीवन के लिए ग्रामीणों को जल संवर्धन करने के लिए साथ काम करने के लिए ग्रामीणों से कहा कि हर सुबह वो अपना सारा परिचय कर भाग लिया। इतना ही नहीं, जहां पानी का काम हो रहा था 162 कृषि तालाबों का निर्माण किया, 62 सीलिंग डैम और 5 किलो की बियर बनाए गए, 120 ग्लोबल रिवर एक्वा शाम बनाए गए। 45 दिनों में एक क्रांति बन सकते हैं।
We are working in a place called Marathwada, which is the region of Maharashtra, which is the highest farmer societies. So when we went there and started looking at the problem, we intend to scale this up. We intend to plant 20 million trees this year and keep on increasing to 25 and 30 million for the next 3 years, because $430 out of that can transform the lives of a complete family. Fortunately, during 2024, we met Asmita Bhatia when she had come to India through her common friend. When I talked to her about what we are going through, what the farmers are going through and what we are going to help, she said that she will have to speak to her organization, and she did the complete due diligence, and they felt a cause of helping the farmers by donating $40,000 last year, which has helped 166 farmer families in some of the worst areas of this country where highest suicides are taking place. Ahmednagar, Bhim, Dharashiv and Solapur. On behalf of AIA, we planted bananas, lemon, mulberry and custard apple. That increased the income of farmer tenfold. We also gave 74 vermi beds so that they can have vermiculture which can go into the soil and improve the organic content of soil. Out of these 166 farmer families that we have, male were 135 while female farmers were 31, and hope that their support will continue for the farmers of this country. Namaste.
Your help, good wishes and support will help us to help them. So with that, Manjula, please. Everyone knows Manjula, of course, so no introduction required.
Everybody. Well, AIA was introduced to me and my husband through this great Switi Khanna way back 1987, and since then we've been at it, and now we dragged in Divya and Asmita, and we are very happy about it. So anyway, without taking much of your time, this is my granddaughter. She is my oxygen bearer. Today we are in for a big treat because we are going to be listening to the Grammy-winning and 4-time Grammy-nominated artist, songwriter, Falu. She is a Grammy Award winner, most internationally recognized artist for her ability to seamlessly blend a signature of modern, inventive style with a formidable Indian classical trained vocal talent. She has performed with wide range recognized artists such as Yo-Yo Ma, cello, Wyclef Jean, Philip Glass, Ricky Martin, Blues Traveler, and A.R. Rahman, amongst others. at the largest stadium in the world in front of 132,000 attendees and broadcasted on television for billions of people in the world. She performed at the Grammys pre-telecast ceremony. She performed for President Obama and First Lady Michelle Obama at the White House, was featured performer at the Time 100 Gala in 2009. She has also been Carnegie Hall's ambassador of Indian music since 2006. And we can add, especially collaborated with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, got a Grammy nomination for their song Abundance in Millets that they wrote to help farmers grow and export millets worldwide. So today, you are in for a great treat from such a fabulous, recognized artist. Farah.
Thank you so much for joining us today on a Sunday evening. We are so honored to be here. My name is Falu and I have fabulous musicians with me today. I'll introduce them as we go ahead. But this is a great cause and somebody who has worked for the benefit and upliftment of farmers with our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I know the value of doing this with all of you, with this shared love to uplift them and really help them in every way we can. For us musicians, we can help them through music. So we decided to dedicate this show to all the farmers worldwide. Tonight, my first introduction is for my better half, Dr. Gaurav Shah. We met in India through music, through our Ustad Sultan Khazar. And Gaurav brought me to America with the promise of love, friendship, and honor. And I'm so happy that we have been performing together, writing together, we do music together. It is the biggest bond we have. And you will hear this side of Gaurav. It's a musician side, it's very artistic. The other side of him is he's an oncologist, trained at Brigham and Women's Harvard University in Boston, and he still loves to sing and play. So I'm so thankful that he today joined. He's a CEO of Rocket Pharmaceuticals. He does not have time for me, but I push him to sing with me, and that is the time we have together. So thank you. On my left is Leo Traversa. Another amazing musician, very, very in demand in New York City. We met at Carnegie Hall, we worked together, we've been working for 10 years. And we take music to facilities where music is not available. So in hospitals, senior centers, women's shelters. So please welcome Leo Traversa on this. The man on my left, Brian Burgess on guitar. He and I wrote Falu's Bazaar together, the album that got us our first nomination. He's a brilliant songwriter, he is my buddy, he's my partner, my musical friend, and without Brian, I feel completely lost in my music world. So thank you for doing this. On my right, I've been friends with Greg since I first did my first show in America. So we go a long way back. This is Greg Gonzalez on drums and percussion, and also tabla now. He was the music director of Fela on Broadway. Some of you might know it's such a it's a very difficult task to be a music director in a Broadway show. And Greg was one of it, and I'm so honored that he has been with me for so many
friend and such a close friend of friend, and now my own friend over many years. Dr. Gupta is maybe the first person I knew since his daughter and I went to college together. And Dr. Modi and so many of you are friends. You know, songs can also be like old friends. And I was drawn when I was, I won't tell you how old I was because it'll tell you how old I am now, but Kishore Kumar died, passed away in 1987. And I decided the same day, I was very interested in both classical and classic Indian music. So I started singing that day, I think. And later on, first song I ever performed is this one that I'm going to present to you now. And I had a band. I was in high school then. I had a band, and instead of this world-class New York champion musicians I had in my band on drums, instead of Greg, I had Alap Shah in Fort Worth, Texas. We didn't have a female singer, it's just me. On bass, I had Rohit Sharma, and on guitar, I had Neeraj Panchal. That was my band. The thing with an old song, like an old friend, is that the song and the friend may not change, but you change over the years. And you see the song in different ways, you sing it in different ways. So I'm very excited to share this one. La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Since this is a Thank you so much. This is dedicated to every farmer and to everyone. We eat their food, we give them our prayers and our blessings. Now next song is a little festive. So we were doing serious music now, but now it's time to have some fun, right? Okay. So if you feel like getting up and moving, you're welcome to in this next song. Okay. For Selva Ganesh, who played with Zakir Hussain and Shakti. And we have a great rapper from India. Marty, get up. So I haven't planned, but I am going to invite him in this song to come and do some oh! Come on.
Thank you. Make some noise for the band. And Falluji, it was an honor working with her. I think I'm the best one. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
He wrote it for me in 2004. And I haven't performed in a long time, but I feel like this is a great audience and you're gonna love it. And here is In the Rain.
Solid rain, in the rain in English. Before we do this, a couple of words. First of all, see, I don't perform that much. I show up once in a while when there's a show in New York, but these guys are always performing, and I'm so blown away how the band comes together in a more and more elevated way each time. I'm just sitting here listening. I would invite everyone to just sit here and listen to this guy. It's so amazing. It's so good. Heartbreaking. So beautiful. Thank you.
मैं
2, 3.
What if we could change the world? What if we could change the world?
Green fields flowing greens, golden sun, gentle rain, awaken and arise, looking for someone, millet swaying all
हमारे अन्नदाता से और हम सबके साझा प्रयासों से श्री अन्न भारत की और विश्व की समृद्धि में नई चमक जोड़ेगा। आज विश्व जब इंटरनेशनल मिलेट ईयर मना रहा है तो भारत इस अभियान की अगुवाई कर रहा है। इंटरनेशनल मिलेट ईयर मनाने भारत में मिलेट के अनेक प्रकार, अनेक नाम हैं। आज जब मिलेट घर घर में पहुंच रहा है, पूरी दुनिया में पॉपुलर हो रहा है, तो उसका सर्वाधिक लाभ भारत के छोटे किसानों के नजदीक है।
What if we could change the world? What if we could change the world? What if we could change the world? What if we could change the world?
So there's a little story behind this song. And I'm a songwriter, so I've written songs on love, separation, longing, heartbreaks, union. I've never written a song on a grave. And I look at him and I'm like, in Gujarati I say, Anaj? And he says, Anaj. And I said, I know that you're a writer, so Tamil Laksho Mari Sathe, will you write with me? And he said, yes. So we started writing the song. And in that process, he gave me a book of farming and millets and the qualities of millets and everything. It was all like there, nominated for a Grammy Award. So thanks to his vision, thanks to his leadership, thanks to his execution that today we have. And now the agricultural department sent us this report of how beautifully this song has gone viral, and people are eating millets and becoming healthier every minute. So, and now Ahista by Gaurav.
जब रूह लैला एक दिन आई तो अरमानों के मुरझाए हुए कुछ फूल भी लाई लगी जब चढ़ाना भूल जाने मन मगर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता।
My friend Shashi.
सरकती 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 जाए है रुख सीने का आहिस्ता आहिस्ता
speak because I am thinking about my beloved. Now, who is the beloved? The beloved is like in Savan, Abke Savan Ghar Aaja. My beloved has gone to a foreign country. It's monsoon season now, and I miss him or her. Please come home. This is beloved. It's a very romantic concept in India. Shabit Furkat Ka Jaga Hu, Farishto Love the Story. Oh angels, please let me.
आज फिर
This is the cause we are here together. Thank you everyone involved in AIA for your service. Thank you for the cause. Thank you for your donations. Thank you for your help. We're Follow, this is Marty, and we're so thankful that you're here. You can follow us on social media at Follow Music. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry to bother you again. We are all going to be suffering tonight with lot of leg pain for sure. every organization, after very good event also, we have to go through certain formalities. So bear with me, please. Heartfelt thanks to each one of you for joining us tonight.
This evening is more than a fundraiser. It's a celebration of generosity, community, and shared purpose. Together, we are helping shape a more secure and sustainable future for farmers across India.
We are proud to support Global Vikas Trust, an NGO creating measurable impact for helping Indian farmers increase their incomes through sustainable agriculture, innovative practices, and improved market access.
Before we go any further, I would like to recognize the presence of Beena Kothari, New York chapter president. Can you please stand up and take a bow? And Dr. Gobit Munjalji, the national president of AIA.
And at the same token, why don't we invite all our past AIA presidents at this time? Dr. Gupta is there, Sunil Modi is there. Please, Sushma ji.
They say Arun Bhatia was the chapter president, and that's when Asmita suffers.
All right, thank you so much everybody. Please take your seats again. So we can really, everybody's hungry and I know we have to cut short. So now, and Amit Doshi ji. Asmita and Arun Bhatia. Sudha and Dr. Sudhir Parikh. And of course, Puri Parikh, who is there, and I think maybe she has left, for your continued generous support. I don't know what else I can tell you, but thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for your hard work.
To our gold level donors, Dr. Samin Sharma, Dr. Pushpa Bakshi, Dr. Sridhar Menon, Drs. Manjula and Rajendra Bansal, Preeti and Atul Kothari, Divyan Harshad Shah, Dr. Kashu, Dr. Manyar, Akash Bhatia and friends, and Stavros at Kippis of Kelari Taverna.
Yeah, because of him we enjoyed the lovely wine. So now, of course, silver level, Neeta and Kumar Javeri, they are in India right now, Palomi and Dan Katsev, Abbas Bakeri. Abbas ji.
I'm here.
Thank you. Mr. and Mrs. Narayan Prasad. And Smiti and Ram Khanna.
We also want to appreciate the continued support from the AIA family, including National President and New York Chapter President. I've already announced their names. We are very, very thankful to you.
Also, I must at this point acknowledge the presence of, support of Bank of America. So can you please take a bow? Thank you so much. And also, he has come from all the way from Fairfield, Connecticut. I don't know, by boat, ferry, bus, how is that spending? Okay.
Lot of thanks to the media. Without them, we couldn't have this event was not possible. Our heartfelt thank you to Kamlesh Bhai, Sunil Hali, Professor Saluja. I don't think he was able to come today. Sudhir Parikh, Dr. Sudhir Parikh.
Okay, very, very special thank you to the Tillis Center for the Performing Arts. I had never heard about it before, but well, goodness, I don't think I can go anywhere else. Because the staff of this amazing facility, okay, I don't know how I can thank them forever. Because the changes we had to make at the last minute, and I'm sure most of the big shots like them, they would have said goodbye Charlie, right? But they were there with us every step of the way. And they supported us financially, time-wise, amazing staff, and that's what you saw. Everything was just done today. minor band. Your mesmerizing music brought warmth and joy to our evening and touched every heart sitting in the room, okay? And of course, we all know Falu for a really long time. She was a little kid when she came to the United States. And we are so happy to see how you blossomed, how your music and where you've gone, okay? And you married another amazing, I don't know how the doctors can be a singer and a musician, but you two are an amazing couple. Thank you so much.
A special thanks to Mint Restaurant and Harish Thakkar was our liaison between AIA and Mint Restaurant. Harish, thank you so much.
Okay, and a very, very special thank you to Sunny Thakkar. Sunny Thakkar, who managed every detail of this event, from publicity and visuals to logistics. With such a hard dedication, Sunny, your commitment brought this vision to life. Thank you.
Above all, this couldn't have happened without the support from each one of you for coming here, being present here, and giving us the positive support and the moral support. Thank you all. And I think dinner is served. Please, again, one more thunderous applause for Falu and Erba.